Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a coin called Truflation, and its token is called TRUF or Truf. So basically it is a decentralized infrastructure for real world assets metrics. So they have various things such as inflations and others. The main point which I want to talk about that it is backed by Coinbase and a Chainlink. So I think that is one of the reasons why it could actually do pretty well. As of now, although the coin just launched, if you look here, it launched on 10th April, as you can see here, and as of now it's only available on Get.io, KuCoin, MEXC and CoinX. So although it's not available on any of the big exchanges, I think that there is a very high possibility that it could actually find its way towards Coinbase, and I think that could actually pump this coin very well. So that is why I thought I should cover this coin, and I will be talking about Tokenomics and how much they raised, if we have exact data, and what is their product and how does their app actually work. So stick to the end if this project interests you, so please keep watching. So first of all, what is Truflation? It is basically a decentralized infrastructure for real world assets metrics. So their system is actually called TSM or Truflation Stream Network. So as of now they have around 4.45k users, and they also have 18 million data points as of now. Their uptime is pretty good. They also have test nodes of around 5, and this is a recent network activity for their deepen network or TSN. So another thing is that as you can see, this is their app actually. So they have Truflation aggregated US inflation. So this is the inflation chart they have going on, and if you look here, they have various indexes and commodities. As you can see, most of them are listed here, and they have data feeds which are listed here. So according to them, they have over 18 million data feeds, item index or data feeds, which is pretty big. They have they support actually 10 blockchains, and they have 140 plus developers building on it. So basically their networks have following members or following a common directory. We have developers who create DApps and financial products integrating the tools, data and indexes. We also have node operators, we have data providers, we have a user who are market participants ranging from researchers, consultants, financial institution, analysts, or even investors and traders. We also have network participants. We have index, a computation that produces a numeric score based on inputs and weighing algorithm accessing a variety of verified prices. So this is basically Oracle in a nutshell. So we also have a stream, the continuous flow of data generated by TSN. Data streams are processed, verified, stored and acted upon in a real time. So this is in nutshell is a Oracle project which actually utilizes real world assets. So another product they have is called AI predictions. So basically they actually harness the AI to accurately predict macroeconomic indicators. So these indicators are actually financial markets or even inflation as well. So Truflation has developed a prediction model for major US macro indicators. So these I think these include inflation and other indicators which are basically which are the macro indicators for the US market. So basically anyone can contact the sale and get this product. So that means they are into real world indexes as well as AI category, even they are also into a deep end. So these three are a very popular, or they have a very big narrative in 2024, and I think that could actually impact Truflation price in the future as well. So these are some of the highlights of the Truflation network or Truflation protocol or whatever you like to call it. So basically they are available on 10 blockchains such as Ethereum, Bash, Avalanche, Arbitrum, BCS, Polygon, Phantom and other EMB chains. So this means their Truflation stream network is available on these blockchains, so which is pretty good. Beside that, the bigger another highlight they have going on is that if we look at the followers, we have Reserve, which is a pretty big which is a pretty good crypto project, and they are also following them as well. We also have the Locke Davis. He is one of the biggest crypto influencer, and he also has around 1.2 million followers. He's also following them. That is a pretty good. So we also have Andres Steno Lawson, which is a CEO at Research, and he's also following it, which is a pretty big thing for them, I think. So overall, they have a pretty good following. So another key highlight for this project is that if you look at the base ecosystem fund, actually the Truflation is one of the project which actually got the base ecosystem fund, which is a pretty big thing, I think. And if we look at the other project, which here as you can see we have Aerodrome Finance as well. So Aerodrome actually pumped really hard after this and I think that could be the same case for the Truflation once it's available on the various exchanges. So another thing we have is that if we go to the app, we have industry testimonials from the co-founder and CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong. He says the Truflation is a decentralized service that tracks inflation. Truflation is really awesome project, which is why they support Truflation. So their CEO is saying that they support Truflation. That means we have probably some chances that this coin could actually get launched on the Coinbase as well. So which is a pretty good thing. So another thing we have that correlation of Truflation CPI is 0.97, which is a pretty high if you look at it. So that is pretty good for them. So these were the key highlights of these of Truflation. So as far as the tokenomics of the Truf token is concerned, it is first of all it is used for data providers node operations. That means that it will have a staking utility. It will also be used for data provision and data consumption. So whoever uses data will actually have to pay Truflation, will have to pay Truf in a Truf token, which is a pretty good utility. These rewards will also be further used to give to data providers and stakers, which is pretty good. It will also be used for governance. As of now, there aren't any ongoing proposals, but this is their governance voting portal. As for its tokenomics in general, if you look here, these are the tokenomics thing which it will have. It will have get VE Truf. It will also have earn rewards through staking. It will also have bridge. So I think this, as of now, their bridge will be to Arbitrum, and after that I think they could actually bridge this token to the base, and I think that could be a pretty big for them as well. So in terms of tokenomics, it has a max supply of 1 billion. As of now, we don't have exact number on its circulating supply, as you can see. So we also don't know its exact market cap since it only launched on 10th April. So I don't think that we have this data yet. So once we have this data, I think it will be more clear how its demand has been. But as of now, we don't have the data. As you can see, the distribution of the 1 billion, 25% goes to the investors, out of which 5% is actually unlocked at the launch, and after that there is no cliff, which is a bad thing, but still investors will get their tokens over the span of 24 months. After that, we have a team and recruitment, which is 13%, and we do have a 6 months cliff, which is pretty good. After that, we have advisors, those have 12 months cliff, and after that we have ecosystem and community fund, which is over 60%. So I think this is for the staking rewards and airdrops potentially. So 13.58% is unlocked as TGA, and we will have 0.96 for 10 months, and after that we will have 0.89% for 86 months. So most of the token will be vested in over 8 years, so which is pretty good. So this is how it looks like. So I think their tokenomics is a pretty good one, but the investors are getting their coins. So once the investors get their coin, most of the coin, I think after that we will see a less sell pressure. But as of now, I think the coin does have potential to go up because it has yet to launch on other exchanges. So if it does get launches on, let's just say, Coinbase, I think this coin actually do actually could go over $1, which is a possibility. And I think as of now, not many investors or not many retail investors actually know that it is backed by Coinbase and others. So I think that could be a pretty big for this coin. So that was I think I missed that highlight in the highlight section. So another highlight is that it's backed by the Coinbase and Chainlink, so which is a pretty good thing. And I think that could actually end up causing the pump to this coin once we have a little bit hype around this coin. But as of now, it does not seem like we have any hype, and I think the hype will most likely come soon. As far as its price prediction is concerned, I think it just got launched, so I think we need to see some more listings, and we do have staking coming soon. So I think the staking announcement could actually pump the token, and we could potentially hit at least $1. And I think $1 is a possibility because according to their tokenomics page, we will have initial supply of around 94 million. So if we do hit around 100 million market cap, the price will be most likely trading above the $1. So I think that could actually happen since it's backed by the Coinbase. I think that is the least it can do in the short term. But as for the long term, I think we need to see investors token getting sold, or at least we need to see that sell pressure go down and they get their token, and we'll most likely see a lot of sell pressure in the future. But I think for a short term, it does have a potential to go over $1.